I understand you're struggling with fear of public speaking. Maaari mo bang sabihin sa akin kung ano ang nararamdaman mo?
Nakiramdam ko po, natatakot po ako. Ewan ko, parang feeling ko may himatay ako pag nagsasalita ako sa maraming tao.
Okay. I hear how difficult this is for you. Parang malaki ang epekto nito sa iyong buhay. Can you tell me more about how this fear affects you?
Yung pakiramdam ko, iwas na iwas ako sa mga group activities, katulad na ng pagre-report. Kasi feeling ko pag pumunta ko sa harapan, mapapahiya lang ako.
Okay. Naunawaan ko ang nararamdaman mo. It's a very common fear. Have you ever tried to overcome this fear before?
Sinubukan ko naman, Dok, pero hindi ko talaga kaya, nabablanko ako. Yung mga dapat mong sabihin, nakakalimutan ko din.
Okay. It sounds like you're been trying to manage this at least on your own, which is very great. So okay, today I want to introduce you to a technique called exposure therapy. It's a gradual process that helps you face your fears in a safe and controlled way. Okay?
Okay po, Dok.
Okay, babes, now, exposure therapy works by gradually exposing you to situations that trigger your anxiety. Starting with the least anxiety provoking and working your way up. To do that, we need to create an anxiety hierarchy. This is a list of situations related to public speaking. Irarank natin siya from least and to most anxiety provoking. Okay? Okay, let's start, babes.
So, yung pinaka-list ko na hindi ko lang po gaanong pinoproblema is yung pakikipag-usap ko po sa mga kaibigan ko na same kami ng, kumbaga same kami ng hobbies, ganyan.
So, okay, we can write this down. Okay. What about a slightly more challenging situation?
Maybe giving a short presentation for a small group po.
Okay, good. And what about a situation that makes you feel even more anxious?
Giving presentation to the entire class.
Okay. Now, and finally, ano ang pinaka-takot na situation ang naiisip mo?
Giving a presentation at a conference. Takot po akong humarap sa mga malalaking tao.
Okay, so now, let's start with the first step on your hierarchy. Talking to me about a topic you're interested in. I want you to focus on your breathing and relaxation techniques as you talk. Okay?
Okay na po. Interesado po ako sa pagsasayaw po, paggawa ng mga TikTok video. Interesado din po ako sa panonood ng K-drama. Naglalaro din naman po ako ng badminton. Pero mas gusto kong libangan, Dok, yung nasa bahay lang ako, yan, nagsiselfon lang. Ayun lang po, Dok.
Okay, Leaves, that's great. You're doing a wonderful job. You can see that you're able to talk to me without feeling overwhelmed. Ngayon, subukan natin ang susunod na hakbang, ang pagbibigay ng isang maikling presentasyon sa akin.
Okay po, Dok.
Okay, babes, ang ganda ng iyong pinakita. You're making great progress, okay? You're starting to see that you can handle these situations. Remember, it's okay to feel anxious, but you're learning how to manage it. You understand?
Thank you po, Doc.
Okay. For homework, I want to practice your presentation in front of a mirror or friend. This will help you get used to speaking in front of others. Also, practice those relaxations techniques we learned today.
Sige po, Doc. Gagawin ko po.
Alright? I know this is a lot to take in, but you're doing great. I'm confident that you can overcome this fear. Let's schedule a follow-up session next week to discuss your progress and plan for the next steps in your exposure therapy.
Thank you po, Doc.